before the competition?
I'm very hungry. My stomach's been growling for 2 hours.
Say that I'm probably the least prepared at anybody. Had 2 breakfasts this morning, not wearing the elastic, so I might be in my underwear by the end of this.
Also, 4 hot dogs, half a nacho, and an ice cream cone at Carver Hawkeye Arena last night.
So I just said enjoyed about 15 minutes ago, and I didn't eat breakfast. So
We want to.
that's my one benefit.
What's our technique for this big
Eat as fast as
competition?
you can.
You guys are talking a lot more now than you were in the first 15 minutes.
Because we gotta breathe.
Here comes the music. Here comes the music.
Keep eating.
So what do you think of your husband right now?
I don't know. He can do it. He doesn't even look bad. He can definitely do it.
Here comes the music. Hit me now.
Start up the phonograph. This is dope that plastic.
I really would like to see this thing weighed before we eat it. I'm calling shenanigans.
When'd you know you couldn't make it, Ryan?
When I get to that tab.
You should consider joining us for River Run at the end of April. So you can see us in our other element.
47 minutes or so. All right, Austin, any last words?
I'm gonna get this thing in 30 minutes.
You'll be back, part 2.
Part 2.